So you can go ahead and put it in drive. You can stop right about here. It's just to see where they're going. So we're gonna head to the green cones there. Come to a stop. We're gonna do 3 modes. We'll start off in tour, then sport, then track at the end. So stop at the green cones and towards the second set, and then don't brake super hard when we get down to those green cones. Just slow her down. You can go ahead and line up here. And then we got that little handling course you can drive through. Go ahead and stop right here, and we'll wait for these guys to get a little further ahead. Alright, you ready? Go for it. Section you can go ahead, as long as we don't understeer into the woods. Yeah, there you go. Good. A little less gas. There you go. Alright, go ahead and slow down, and we're going to take the right before the cut. Yep, right here. Yep, we'll wait for these. We're faster than these guys, I think, so I'll wait a little bit longer. I think they're afraid of going fast. Alright, you're good. And brake. Nice, perfect. Not as fast through here just because you got to make that radius. There you go, that's nice. Good, right there, yep, perfect. There you go. Nice. Alright, one more time to the right here. Switch us to track mode. I'm going to stop right here. Alright, good stuff.
Yes.
Not a bad car, right?
Awesome. Opportunity to have fun.
Yeah, I got you. It's your first time in the E-Ray?
It is.
It's a fun little car. We'll wait for these guys a little bit again. So this is going to be track mode. Alright, you're good to go. Brake, a little harder. Nice. Power here, there you go. Alright, we're gonna go straight. Right on. Okay. Thanks for bringing me back alive.